So good morning students. Till now we have covered exercise 1.3. Now this is the last exercise of your first chapter integers. I hope all the things that I have covered are already clear to you all. If you have any sort of doubt, you can ask me in the Zoom session or any other later sessions. But the thing is, you all need to watch the videos that we have uploaded in Ursel, and you also need to upload the worksheet also, because on that basis you will get the attendance. Okay. Now the very first question of exercise is evaluate each of the following. So the last topic is basically division of integers, right? So let's say minus 30 divided by 10. You just need to evaluate the value of these following. So minus 30 when divided by 10. So see, minus 30 is a negative integer where plus 10 is a positive integer, right? So this is basically a division of two integers. So how I can represent this like this: minus 30 divided by 10, so 10, so 0 is cancelled out with a 0. Actually what the thing is, 10 3s are 30, so the answer is minus 3. So this is the simple division of two integers, or I can write here division of two integers. Division of integers. Any doubt? Okay. Now similarly I have minus 36. Similarly I have minus 36. When I divide this negative integer with another negative integer which is minus 9, then from this minus is cancel out. 9 4s are 36, so the answer is 4. So when you divide two negative integers, the result is positive, and when you divide a negative integer by a positive integer, the result is negative. Is this okay? Please note it down fast. Okay, now the next example is part E of your question number first. 13 when divided by bracket minus 2 plus 1. Now first you need to solve this part. So 13 divided by, so minus 3 is a negative integer. When you add a negative integer with a positive integer, the result is minus 1. So minus 2 plus 1, so the result is minus 1. Now you can divide this 13 by a negative integer, so the result is minus 13. Any doubt? Similarly, you have a negative integer, and in bracket you have two negative integers, the sum of two negative integers basically. So this is minus 31 when divided by, so minus 30 minus 1 will give you minus 31 in the bracket. Now minus 31 when divided by minus 31, minus minus cancel out, 31 ones are 31, so the answer is 1. Please note it down fast. Rest is for your homework. Rest part of question number 1 is for your homework, and if you have any doubt while solving those parts, you can ask me, no problem. Okay, note it down fast. So these are some examples of division of integers where integers can be negative, it can be positive. Okay, note it down fast. Now the next question is verify that a divided by in bracket b plus c is not equals to a divided by b and a divided by c. Can anyone tell me what this property is? So this is basically distributive property, right? Now, so basically you can say the distributive property here is not followed by a, b, c, because a divided by b plus c is not equals to a divided by b plus a divided by c. How? Let's see one example. So the part first is a is equals to 12, b is equals to minus 4, and c equals to 2. So the values of these variables or literals are given to you. Now you just need to verify LHS is not equals to RHS. How? So the first thing is LHS. I just take the LHS. What I have in the LHS, a divided by b plus c. What is a? 12, it is given in the question. B is minus 4 and c is plus 2. So 12 divided by minus 4 plus 2 will give you minus 2. Now 12 divided by minus 2, so plus 12 divided by minus 2, 2 6 are 12, so the overall result will be minus 6, because when you divide a positive integer with a negative integer, or you divide a negative integer by a positive integer, in both the cases the result will is equals to negative. Okay, now you just need to solve RHS. What you have in the RHS? A divided by B plus A divided by C. What is A? 12. What is B given in the question? Minus 4. A is 12 is divided by 2. So in the first case, a positive integer is divided by a negative integer, and in the second case, positive integer is divided by a positive integer. So here 12 divided by minus 4 plus 12 divided by 2, 4 3s are 12, 2 6s are 12, so 3 upon minus 1, or you can write minus 3 plus 6, which is equals to plus 3. Now from here you can just verify that LHS is not equals to RHS. So from this you can say LHS is not equals to RHS. Any doubt? And this property is nothing but a distributive property, where you are distributing A over B and C. Note it down fast. Part second of question number 2 is for your homework. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So now in the next question, question number 3, you just need to fill these blanks. Okay, 369. What should be the divisor here to get the result 369? Now let's see. So let's say this is x. So x is the divisor and 369 is the dividend, right? So and the result, and this is the quotient, that means 369. So what should be the value of x? So the value of x must be equals to 1, because when 369 is divided by 1, so 369 ones are 369, so the remainder is 0. So this is the value of quotient. So what should be the value? What should I write in this blank? Equals to 1. So 369 divided by 1 is equals to 369. Is this okay? Is this okay or not? Similarly, here you just need to divide minus 206 to get a value of 1. So what should I write in this blank? So when I divide minus 206 by minus 206, then only I'll get 1. So minus 206 ones are minus 206, so the remainder is 0. So what should be the what value should I write here? Minus 206. So minus 206 when divided by minus 206 will give you 1. 369 when divided by 1 will give you 369. Similarly, please tell me what should I write here in this blank? What value I should fill in this blank? So let's say in the result I want minus 87. So when I divide minus 87 by 1, then only I'll get minus 87. How? Minus 87 when divided by 1, so 1 minus 87s are minus 87. Any doubt? So these are very basic questions. I don't think there is any doubt in these questions, but still if you have any sort of doubt, you can ask me in the Zoom session. No need to worry about it, okay? I'll explain you n number of times, no problem in that. But before that, you just need to watch those videos and submit your worksheet, okay? Then only I will help you out. Okay, now this is a very important question and very good question. Question number 5. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degree Celsius above 0. That means at 12 noon, 12 बजे, दिन में 12 बजे, the temperature was 10 degree Celsius. यानी कि दिन में 12 बजे जो temperature था वो 10 degree Celsius था, okay? If it decreased at the rate of 2 degree Celsius per hour until midnight. आधी रात तक, that means 12 at night, जो टेम्परेचर है वो 2 डिग्री सेल्सियस से ड्रॉप हो रहा है बेटा इन एवरी आवर, हर एक आवर में वो 2 डिग्री सेल्सियस से वो कम हो रहा है. ओके, द टेम्परेचर इज डिक्रीज्ड एट द रेट ऑफ 2 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर आवर. एट व्हाट टाइम वुड द टेम्परेचर बी 8 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो कह रहा है कि 8 डिग्री सेल्सियस बिलो जीरो, दैट मीन्स -8 डिग्री सेल्सियस किस टाइम पे वो रहेगा. सो आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है कि एट व्हाट टाइम the temperature is -8 degree Celsius, and then the another question that is asking what would be the temperature at the midnight. then आपको बताना है कि midnight पे यानी कि रात को 12 बजे what would be the temperature. okay, now I'll explain you with a diagram. okay, so let's say I'll make a watch. I think this watch is visible to you all. So let's say this is 12, this is 3, this is 9, this is 6, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Now what is given in the question that at 12 noon the temperature is plus 10 degree Celsius. So at 12 noon the temperature is 12 degree Celsius, and after 1 hour the temperature is decreased by 2 degree Celsius. So बेटा 12 से 1, जैसे ही 12 से 1 में जो आवर हैंड है वो मूव करेगी इन 1 आवर, जैसे ही 1 बजेंगे बेटा, अभी स्टार्टिंग में क्या था 12 नून था, जैसे ही 1 बजेंगे that means after 1 hour the temperature is reduced by or decreased by 2 degree Celsius. that means अभी यहाँ पे 10 degree Celsius था, so what will be the temperature at 1 pm? 10 minus 2, that is 8 degree Celsius. So from this to this there is a drop of 2 degree Celsius, and similarly there will be a successive reduction of temperature by 2 degree Celsius. So first the temperature is 10 degree Celsius. After there is a decrement of 2 degree Celsius, after 1 hour the temperature become 8 degree Celsius. Again after 1 hour, from 1 pm to 2 pm, after 1 hour the temperature again reduced by or decreased by 2 degree Celsius. The final temperature become 6 degree Celsius at 2 pm. At 1 pm the temperature is 8 degree Celsius. At 2 pm the temperature is 6 degree Celsius. At 3 pm the temperature is 6 minus 2, 4 degree Celsius. Any doubt? Then at 4 pm the temperature is 4 minus 2, 2 degree Celsius. Then at 5 pm the temperature is 2 minus 2, which is equals to 0 degree Celsius. Then again there is a decrease in temperature by minus 2 degree Celsius, 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 minus 2 degree Celsius. This is 0. So at 5 pm the temperature become 0 degree Celsius. After 1 hour again the temperature is decreased by 2 degree Celsius. So at 6 pm the temperature will be minus 2 degree Celsius. Then at 7 pm the temperature is minus 4 degree Celsius. Then at 8 pm the temperature is minus 6 degree Celsius, and at 9 pm the temperature is minus 8 degree Celsius. Your first answer, at what time would the temperature be 8 degree Celsius below 0 degree? That means this is your first answer, required answer. At 9 pm the temperature is minus 8 degree Celsius, or you can say 8 degree Celsius below 0. So you can write at 9 pm the temperature become 8 degrees below 0, or you can simply write -8 degree Celsius. Okay, I think the board is visible to you all. Now again, from 9 p.m. again up to 10 p.m. again there is a decrease in temperature by 2 degrees Celsius. So here is -8, so it become -10 degree Celsius. Again there is a decrease of 2 degrees Celsius, so it become -12 degree Celsius. And what would be the temperature at midnight? So at midnight, beta रात 12 बजे, what will be the temperature? Here is -12, so it become -14 degree Celsius. So in black I have written -14 degree Celsius for this. This is your second answer, or I'll write here -14 degree Celsius. So at midnight, the temperature become -14 degrees Celsius if the temperature is decreased by 2 degrees Celsius per hour. So this is the whole diagram for this. I think this is the best way of representing how the temperature is decreased by 2 degrees Celsius per hour. I mean, this is the best way. But if you have any doubt even in this method, please let me know. I'll give you some another explanation by using some another method. Okay, but till the time, please note it down fast. Please note it down fast and try to learn the concept. I'll give you another example, another method for the same question number 5th. I'll write another method, or I'll say unitary method for question number 5th. जो अभी क्वेश्चन आपको बता उसी का एक अनदर मेथड ये है बेटा. ओके, temperature decrease by 2 degree Celsius in 1 hour. So बेटा 1 hour में 2 degree Celsius temperature reduce हो रहा था, decrease हो रहा था. So the temperature decreased in, so 1 degree Celsius बेटा कितने देर में decrease होगा बेटा? 1/2 hours में. So the first question was at what time the temperature become -8 degree Celsius. So beta this is positive, right? So -8 degree Celsius, or you can simply write, see, by 2 degree Celsius. So बेटा 2 degree Celsius 1 hour में डिक्रीज हो रहा है. So 1 degree Celsius 1/2 hours में. अब बेटा प्लीज see here, initially the temperature was +10, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So these are the positive values. Then -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7 and -8. So initially the temperature is +10 degree Celsius, and then at what time the temperature become -8 degree Celsius. So how many divisions are there? So the total difference is equals to 18 degree Celsius. From 10 to 0, 10, then 0 to 8 -8 is equals to 8. So you can write these are 10 and this is 8. So 10 plus 8 is equals to 18 degrees Celsius. So there is a total change of 18 degrees Celsius. So 2 degrees Celsius, there is a decrease in temperature by 2 degrees Celsius in 1 hour, 1 degree Celsius in 1 by 2 hour. So 18 degrees Celsius in and 2 9s are 18, that is in 9 hours. So 9 hours from 12 noon. So 9 hours means 9 p.m. that is 9 p.m. or I'll write here that is 9 p.m. that is 9 p.m. So this is another method to solve the question. Please note it down fast. So this is the first part A. Now the second part is what will be the temperature at midnight. Okay, that means at 12 रात को 12 बजे क्या टेम्परेचर रहेगा, that you need to find now. Okay, so shall I rub this? Now this thing will remain same even for part B. The temperature decreased by 2 degrees Celsius in 1 hour, then temperature decreased by 1 degree Celsius in 1 by 2 hour. Okay, no. Now in this case you just need to find the degree Celsius. Okay, in 1 hour change in temperature is equals to 2 degrees Celsius, or you can write minus for representing reduce in temperature or decrease in temperature. Okay, so in 12 hours, why I'm taking 12 hours? From 12 noon to 12 midnight, right? दिन में 12 बजे से रात को 12 बजे तक बेटा कितने आवर्स हो जाएंगे? 12 hours will be there. So 12 hours. So 1 hour में बेटा कितना चेंज हो रहा है? So in 1 hour the temperature is reduced by 2 degrees Celsius. So in 12 hour how much it will reduced? 2 into 12, which is equals to 24 degree Celsius, right? Because I'm showing minus and this minus sign shows reduce in temperature, or you will write decrease in temperature, not reduce, decrease in temperature. Decrease in temperature. So minus sign here shows a decrease in temperature. Now at 12 midnight the temperature is there is a change in minus 24 degrees Celsius. Okay, initially the temperature was equals to plus 10 degrees Celsius beta. So I can write final temperature at midnight is equals to plus 10 degrees Celsius plus minus 24 degrees Celsius. So I'll write 10 minus plus minus minus 24 minus 14 degree Celsius. This is your answer. So it is up to you that which method you will follow, but I have given you two methods. One is the diagrammatical form and this is the by using the unitary method. Okay, 1 hour में बेटा 2 डिग्री सेल्सियस का ड्रॉप आ रहा है. सो इन 12 आवर कितने का ड्रॉप आएगा? 24 डिग्री सेल्सियस का ड्रॉप आएगा. कहाँ से? इनिशियली द टेम्परेचर वॉज 10. कितने का ड्रॉप आ गया बेटा? माइनस 24 का ड्रॉप आ गया. दैट मीन्स कितना हो गया होगा? माइनस 14 डिग्री सेल्सियस एट मिडनाइट. रात 12 बजे क्या टेम्परेचर हो गया होगा? माइनस 14 डिग्री सेल्सियस. आई थिंक दिस इज क्लियर टू यू. If you have any doubt, any problem in both the methods, you can ask me in the Zoom session. Okay, please note it down fast. Question number 6 and question number 7 is for your homework. So question number 6 and question number 7 is for your homework. Question number 6 and question number 7 is for your homework. Try to solve these question. Okay, watch those videos that we have uploaded in Ursel. Submit your homework and don't miss your Zoom sessions. Okay, because the Zoom sessions are basically your doubt sessions. Okay then, Thank you, students.